So every WordPress website needs a theme, and when you first install WordPress or sign up for a hosting account that has WordPress on it, it comes with these default themes. There are literally thousands of themes out there, both free and paid, and any well-coded WordPress theme will work for LifterLMS. So if you go over here to LifterLMS, click on add-ons and more, you can click on themes and explore some themes that we recommend here at LifterLMS. For this demo, I'm actually going to go over to the regular WordPress appearance themes. I'm going to click on add new, and I'm actually going to, you can do a search over here for different themes, but I'm actually going to upload a theme that's growing in popularity in the WordPress community that built specific features for LifterLMS called Cadence. So I'm going to click on upload theme, and I'm actually going to install it, the zip file. I'm going to click install now, and that's going to install. I'm going to click activate, and now you can see I have installed and activate the Cadence theme. Now I could switch to any theme or try some more themes, but for right now I'm just choosing to get going for this demo with the Cadence theme. And if you go right here and click on appearance, customize, you'll notice here where the Cadence theme went really deep in their integration with LifterLMS, which is why I'm promoting it in this demo here, where you have all kinds of options here related to modifying the design and your preferences for how LifterLMS looks. So I have successfully installed the theme Cadence, and you can see here how it has like a particular layout, a particular look and feel. Every theme is going to kind of approach design a little differently, but that's how you install and activate a theme for your WordPress site to begin using it with LifterLMS.